Hi Scorpio, welcome back. This is going to be week of January 7th tarot reading. This is a general quickie spread. Because it's general, it can go vice versa. Also, it will not resonate with everyone. A lot of Scorpios walking this earth. But if it does, please do like, share, and subscribe for something specific to you. You can book for a private reading. They're closed right now, but I'll reopen them back in February. Check out my social media links below as well. Okay. Let's see what we got going on. Scorpio. Okay, for week of January 7th. Wow, Scorpio, your cards just came flying out. So, all of them, actually. Let's see what we got here. Scorpio. So, recent past energy is the Two of Swords. The Princess of Cups, but in the reverse. Justice card. So I feel like in the recent past, Scorpio, you felt the need to turn off your emotions to protect your heart. I feel like a lot of you are trying to deny, push aside, diminish, ignore your emotions, but also your intuition. And I feel like, Scorpio, the reason why you're probably doing this is like you're in self-protective mode, okay? You may be trying to like get over a past person or get over a recent emotional upset by ignoring it, suppressing. All right, because what you're trying to do is gain balance over your emotions to stay logical, to stay balanced. And so I feel like there's a lot of suppression here. Okay. And, early on in the week, you've got the High Priestess, the Hermit, and the King of Swords. What did I just say? So I feel like that energy is continuing into this week, where I think you're feeling a lot more than you're saying. I feel like also you are really a lot of you are not communicating at all how you feel. All right, I feel like you're trying to be extremely logical. All right, and for some of you, you're trying to either figure another person out, but like on the down low, or there's something that that you're not expressing, or something that someone knows about you that they're not expressing. Towards the end of the week, you have the Ace of Cups in reverse, the Knight of Pentacles in the reverse, and Temperance. For a lot of you, like I said, whatever emotions you had been suppressing in the recent past, I feel like it's keeping you from moving forward. It's like completely stagnating your energy. Whatever you're suppressing, whatever you're withholding is suppressing any movement forward on the emotional front, all right? But I feel like towards the end of the week, a lot of those emotions may surface. Some of you might be going through a depression. Some of you lost somebody you loved, or you feel you did. That's not a prediction. That would have already happened. And the looking back on that, the isolating yourself, the closing down emotionally is putting you at a standstill. But then at the end of the week, you end on Temperance, which is rebalancing. I feel like that's what you're trying to do. I feel like you're shutting down because you're trying to temper. For a lot of you, you're trying to control like what you show people. Like what you're showing on the external. I've been seeing this in Scorpio's readings. Don't get mad at me, guys. This is not you, it's not you. But a lot of you that I'm connecting with are tempering like the external pieces of you. But internally, you know, it's a whole nother story. I have a lot of isolation cards. A lot of you might be isolating yourself from family, friends. You might be just not sharing or exposing, like I said, you know, your thoughts, your emotions. For some of you, this is not you. This is somebody external to you. For a lot of you, this is you. So let me get a few clarifying cards. You got Temperance out again over the King of Swords. Like I said, I feel like you're trying to control what you show people. But internally, you've got the Eight of Swords and the Four of Cups. Internally, you're missing somebody heavily. I feel like you're stuck in your head over it. For some of you, this is a relationship. Some of you, if it's an ex, I got friendship vibes all over this. Some of you, it's a friend. All right, pick whichever scenario you're in. You know, I feel like there is a longing. You're missing somebody. You're probably not communicating with them. They're not communicating with you. I feel like you've got your defenses up. It's the Ace of Cups in reverse. Scorpio, some of you might be trying to rush in to somebody that you miss by the end of the week. All right? Because over the Ace of Cups, you've got the Knight of Wands, the Page of Cups, and Justice. Again, a repeating card. Some of you might be trying to rush in and make amends. Or somebody may be doing this to you. It can go vice versa. But I'm picking it up as your energy mostly. But and trying to rebalance the situation. And for some reason, there's like a pause. So it's like somebody rushes in, offers a new beginning or an apology or some type of new whatever. And then yet, at the end of the week, it ends up putting you or the other person in your head, thinking about the past. Some of you, you're reopening a wound by doing this. Okay? Whether that's reopening your own wound or somebody else's. it stagnates forward, movement forward with another opportunity. For some of you, a Leo. So that's very interesting. So it's like, I got the Leo card again. So you're definitely dealing with a Leo. Okay, so I can see this a few different ways. And that's not going to be for all of you. If you're not dealing with the Leo, I've got a bunch of different other signs out here. I'll tell you them all at the end. For some of you, you know, you might have had defenses up, no communication, or this person to you. And you might be trying to reconnect or rekindle a relationship, particularly if you're paired to a fire sign. But it's like the more you try to push it forward, the more stubborn the other person becomes. All right? And at the end of the week, you're trying to rebalance yourself, but you're stuck in your head. That's one set of you. There's another set of you where there's more than one person. So, Scorpio, there's somebody that you felt you had to protect yourself from, or they felt this way about you. They might have shut their emotions off towards you. You might have done that to them. And there's like a looking back on that, wanting to rush back into that person, rush back to that person, or they you. And by rushing back to like an old partner, it stagnates any movement forward you had with a new partner, with a new opportunity, with rekindling even another relationship. And no matter which way you turn it, it puts one of the parties into their head by the end of the week, probably you as well, because it reopens like old issues. It reopens old wounds. That's the other set of you. So, let's get an overall message for you. Scorpio. Overall message. Opportunity. Like I said, some of you want an opportunity to right a wrong, or have a new beginning in an old relationship, or you are doing that. But some of you want the opportunity to be stable again. I'm sorry, I'm clarifying even more because I want to know what this is. Yeah. That's what I got for you, Scorpio. So let me tell you all the zodiac signs I see. Don't get caught up on them. Yeah. If it resonates, wonderful. Then keep it, okay? Even if you don't hear the zodiac sign. But I'm going to tell you what they are because some of you like them. Like I said, I see Leo. Could be Aries or Sag, but I see mostly Leo. Virgo. Like I said, Libra. Could be Aquarius or Gemini. And then water. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Or another Scorpio. So I see mostly water and air and Leo. But, like I said, don't get caught up on that. I wish you all of the very best, Scorpio. Let me know how it resonated, and I will see you next week. Namaste.